Yo, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Gabzy type beat. So for the past few days I've been trying to make a lot of Gabzy type beats, and I can show you guys some source that I've come to discover. So first things first, if you don't know who Gabzy is, you guys need to go check out Gabzy's music. The person who produces most of his music is Melvito. That's his producer. His name is Melvito. You need to listen to a lot of Melvito type beats. So this is kind of like a Melvito Gabzy type beats kind of tutorial. But yeah, so first things first, Gabzy always like using simple chord progression. Like you can think of the simplest thing ever. That's what Gabzy likes to use. So I'm going to pull up this website called Codify. Codify.net. All right, if you pull up this website and you search up Gabzy songs, you can see like all the simple chords they use, 4 chords, and boom, we have a basic Gabzy song. Let's just say Gabzy. It just dropped this song, I think it was yesterday. By the time I'm watching this video, it was yesterday. But you see it uses very simple chords. So that's what you want to start with. Use very simple chords, maybe 6-5-4, 6-4-5, or 4-5-6. I always like using the 4-5-6 chord progression. So let me just see what this chord progression is of the song, just to show you guys that there's a lot of simple chords in here. So we have the C major, A minor 7th, E minor, and D. That's what the song plays from the beginning to the end, for the most part, I think. I don't want to play the song here because of copyright issues, you know, but like I said, simple chords. You don't need to do too much with the chords. Let's check another song that he has. Let's say set nice. So you have G, A, E7, E minor 7th, and G minor. That's it, guys. Like very simple chords. But I tend to find the kind of sounds that he uses at first, he might use like a plucky sound, and he will use a lot of acoustic guitars. Acoustic guitars, if you know how to play the guitar, that's a plus for you. If you don't know how to play the guitar, maybe find a loop.
These are African guitar sounds from our ancestors.
Or, you know, just try and play something very simple. But best way to get that Gabzy vibe is to use a guitar loop. I didn't even use a guitar loop in these beats, but I'm just telling you guys the source. I might probably do more videos like this, you know. But let me play the beat for you guys, then show you guys how I made it. Yeah, so this is a very basic beat, but you can always add more elements to it. This is just a short tutorial to show you guys the source. So one thing too I also noticed with Gabzy beats, right? Remember I said he uses a lot of acoustic guitars, right? So you might want to have a lot of acoustic sounds. Maybe if you can beatbox, if you have a mic in your studio, or if you can use your phone, maybe record yourself doing a beatbox, or record yourself hitting on the desk. Like you can do very crazy stuff.
And today I'm gonna be making an Afrobeat with some household equipment, stuff that are in my house I'm gonna be using. And to start, I have this bottle, I'm gonna be using this. Then I have this shaker, I'm gonna use as my shaker. I don't know how the beat is gonna sound, but maybe I'm not gonna use it, but I have this as my shakers. Then I have this roller, I'm also gonna use this.
So this loop here, it was actually my mic I used to record this on my desk. I was just banging on my desk and I made this pattern. Then I added some effects to it. Let me put up the effects. It just sounds like this. So I recorded it with my mic, then I just added camera crusher to make it beefy. You know, if you've not watched my how to make your drums thicker, or how to make your drums hit in the mix, go watch that video. I'll put a link in the description. So I just used camera crusher and I exported it to my sample pack. So I'm working on a new sample pack for you guys very soon. I'm working on a lot of sample packs, guys, very soon. This year, expect a lot of sample packs. This one, I'm working on this one personally, and I have 3 other kits I'm working on with 3 different people. 2 of them are going to be Amapiano kits, and 1 is going to be like a guitar kit. No, I don't want to let you guys know everything I want to do now, but just expect more kits very soon. So this is the loop. Then I added this jungle Costa Rica sound. Like I said, you always want to use a lot of acoustic sounds. You want to think outside of the box, you know, because the beat is very simple enough. It has simple chords, so you don't want to add so much melodies and stuff and make everything clashy. All you have to do is just think of cool stuff you can add, tricks, pauses, chop some stuff up here and there just to make it, simple and sweet. So I just added this loop there to give you that ambience. Then the chord progression, like I said, I'm just using a basic 4-5-6. I'm using a basic 4-5-6 chord progression. So I'm on A major, but I'm only playing 2 of these notes. Instead of playing the 3 chords, I'm only playing 2. I'm not playing the 3rd note, if that makes sense. So I'm only playing D, F sharp. I'm supposed to play the A, but I didn't play the A, so I just played only this. So for the ending, I just switch it up to the 1. Switch to like the 1 just to get a little bit of variation, And the drums, very simple drums too. Like the drums sound like this. So you can use a clap, a snare, or a rim shot and layer it. Very, very simple. You don't want to use, hard hitting drums, or even if you're going to use hard hitting drums, you want to make it very, very simple. Then add a bit of swing just to make it bounce. Then the kick. I said very, 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 very simple drums. Very, 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 very simple drums. Then I had this melody, the guitar melody. So I'm using this VST from Contact. It's called Evolution Stratosphere. I just picked a preset and I added a bit of strum on it. I just strummed some of the notes. Like if you notice here. So when I strum it, has like a weird effect to it. Yeah, so like I said, I don't know how to play the guitar so well. I would have gotten like a guitarist. Maybe the next video I'll show you how to make more using a guitar loop. How to like play the guitar and nice chord progressions you can use. Then add simple bongos here and there. Nothing too crazy. And I had an 808 here, just to add that bass line there. Very, very simple. You can go crazy, but like I said, it's Gabzy Type beats. You don't want to do too much craziness in there. And you can, use acoustic bass. If I change this to like a live bass, it might have a different feeling. It's going to sound very, very nice too, Let's use Evolution bass, flatwood bass. Yes, let's use this. So if I copy this and I put it here, and I miss this. What I like to do with my bass lines, I like to strum my bass lines too, since it's like an electric guitar, an electric bass, you can hear it sounds. Strum this. I don't want the notes to overlap. So put this on. So I'll change the presets just to get a better bass sound. Click here. Let's try this. Okay, I took it down 1 octave, so I can switch up the bass sharing this. So I don't have one bass line going, one sound going. When you have the verse chorus, you know, you might want to switch up some stuff and not play the same thing from the beginning to the end. That's going to be a very boring bit. Sometimes you just can't, you know, so what you have to do there is maybe change the way your pattern is playing, take out some stuff, you know, introduce some stuff there and here and there. Then I did this bass from my Stu Kit Volume 2 New Source. This bass line they used on Rema's Sexism song. Is it Sexism? What that song? Soundgasm. The name is here. I'm calling something else. It is exactly the same bass they used. So it sounds very cool. Dun dun dun. I can change that bass line part. And basically that was almost everything. And I used some loops. I used this 110 shaker. Everybody has this shaker. But I got the shaker from Knowledge Drum Kits. Then, you know, like I said, this Costa Rica soul from Knowledge Drum Kits. Then the drum roll for my New Source. Everybody has this drum roll. So all together, sounds like this. Again. Yeah, sometimes when I'm making my beats, I always like add my vocals in there. I don't know how to sing, but I use that to always, you know, check if the beat makes sense or if it doesn't make sense. But I'll play the vocals for you guys just so you guys can get what I'm saying. So I can even add that bass line I added before, the electric bass line here. Just wanna see your face, I just wanna call your name. Every time I pick my phone, see your name, I'm going insane. Yeah, so this is just the vibes, guys. Don't mind the singing. Let me play the game without the singing. There you go. All right, guys, catch you guys on the next one. Let me know in the comments what kind of video you want to see next. Like I said, I'm dropping drum kits very, very soon for you guys. A couple of drum kits, and if you guys want to know my drum kits, you can check the link in the description. All my drum kits, you can get it from there. My website's down there. Click on the link, like the video, drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to comment, just comment something. Like the video, share the video if you can, and see you guys on the next one.